Hey everyone, welcome back to Fred's Garage. So you just received your Ford Maverick, or you know somebody who has a Ford Maverick. Well, in today's video, we're going to go over some of the top accessories or gifts that you can give somebody who has a Ford Maverick. Things that you can do yourself and they're easy to find. Let's take a look at some of the top accessories for the Ford Maverick. Let's start from the rear and work our way forward. One of the first things I did was I added the Maverick Inlay in the tailgate. These are raised and they're carbon fiber color. That's the color I chose, but they come in dozens of different colors to match whatever color your vehicle is. They range between $15 and $35 depending on the quality, and they're very easy for you to do yourself. This is a great upgrade or a great gift for the Maverick owner in your life. Another must-have accessory or gift is the Tanu cover. They range in all different prices and all different styles. This is a roll-up tonneau cover that cost me $179 off of Amazon. I have a video of the install of this if you're interested in watching. Let me show it to you. It's a great gift and it's a great easy upgrade that you can do yourself. On this one, you just pull the latch in the middle. It comes up and we just roll it up. Hide all your stuff, keep it dry, keep it out of the sun, out of the weather. And when you get to the top, all you need to do is buckle it to secure it. Great upgrade. When I purchased my Maverick, I didn't option it with a sprayed-in bed liner or a soft bed liner, so I needed something to put in there to protect the bed. And I decided to go with this bed mat. As you can see, it tucks in right underneath the lip here. It has this nice piece that protects the tailgate and the bed gap. It's about a 1/4 inch thick here and 3/4 inch thick here. Fits perfectly on the bottom. Cost about $225. I'm very happy with this purchase, and we'll see how she goes. But for my needs, this is perfect. My Maverick, being an XL, didn't come with this little cubby pocket right here on the side. So I used my Ford Pass points and I installed it. I have a video on the installation, actually. And now we have a little storage container. Now, if you have an XLT or a Lariat that already comes with this storage container, you can always add another one if you want more storage. For $40, it's a great upgrade or a great gift at your local Ford dealer. Another video that I'll be posting in the upcoming few days is going to be an accessory panel right here. I purchased this one on Amazon. I'm going to do a little upgrade to it, and I'm going to install it right here. And what we're going to have is we're going to have our double USB if I ever need to charge something in the back of the bed. I'm going to have a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter that I can use for lights or blenders or whatever. And I'm also going to have an added switch that I'm going to use for a light system back here in the bed. But that video's coming next week. The whole thing will cost you under $40 to $50, and it's a great upgrade for the back, especially since Ford has already given you a 12-volt power supply right here, which makes the installation very easy. So another great upgrade is getting rid of this huge antenna. Don't really know why it needs to be so big. And the other day I actually parked under a tree, and when I was backing up, the tree almost pulled the antenna out. So we're going to get rid of this 8-inch, 10-inch antenna, and we're going to put a little one. It's one of the only times in your life where somebody will say to you, smaller is better. So all you have to do is unscrew this. Mine just unscrewed by hand. And I purchased this one on Amazon. Let me take it out of the packet for you. I purchased this one from Amazon for $15. So let's screw this one in. I'm first going to screw in the stud that came with it. Get that nice in there and tight. All right. Then I'm going to screw on the antenna. And that's it. Same reception, but we don't have that huge antenna. That's a great little upgrade, and it's a great little gift for $15. All right, let's move to the interior. One of the upgrades you'd want to do is a nice pair of mats, especially if you get kids or dogs or you go anywhere where your feet are going to be sandy or dirty or full of mud. You need a good set of mats. So let me show you the mats I went with. These are WeatherTech molded in mats. Now there's many companies that make these mats, and WeatherTech are actually on the expensive side. I think the set was about $225. But the reason why I went with WeatherTech is because the BMW that I owned prior to this, the X5, had a set of these from 2002. And the day that I sold her, these mats look just like they are today. They lasted 20 years in that car, multiple cleanings, in and out. I have a lot of confidence in WeatherTech. So I didn't want to buy a pair of mats and then have to get another pair of mats in a couple of years. So I stuck with WeatherTech. But they are on the expensive side. You can go on Amazon or whatever your favorite online store is, and you can find all kinds of molded in mats. The best part is they come with these right here, and you just take your old mats out, and you click these in, and these go in there. Let me show you. You'll see that your car already comes with these knobs here. These are to hold your mats. Your WeatherTechs are made to fit perfectly. So they'll go right in there. They'll fit right in there. Make sure you get it under the gas pedal. And they'll pop in right where they need to go. And they're nice and secure. Protect your rug, protect your space. Great set of mats. All right, let me show you some of the interior things that I've done. One of the first things I've done is sill plate protectors. What's a sill plate, you ask? Come here, I'll show you. This section right here is known as your sill plate. If you have small children, pets, they're going to step on this and get in, and then they're going to destroy this paint, and that's where rust is going to happen. There's multiple options on sill plate protectors, from $10 to $25, all kinds of designs. What I did, though, was I bought a 12-inch by 4-foot piece of carbon fiber thick vinyl, and I made my own sill plate protectors, and I put them on. They've been on there for 5 months, and you can see they've already protected me from a lot of scuffs. Sill plate protectors. Great gift, great upgrade. You got multiple areas. Another great upgrade is a phone holder. This is my iPhone case. Now, if you notice, there's multiple places you can put it. Some people like to add it here. Some people like to add it down there. What I did, which I think is a pretty clever idea, was I made this. Let me take you in and show you. Okay? This is a piece of what's called starboard. You don't have to get starboard. All you have to do is go to the dollar store and buy yourself a cutting board. Cut this out with something. I made a template that fits right inside this cubby up here, which is kind of useless. And then I screwed on, in my case, I riveted on this magnetic holder. And on the bottom, I put some Velcro. So now what I do is I take my phone holder, I stick it in there where it's nice and Velcroed. This is my phone case. My phone doesn't happen to be in it at the moment because I'm using the phone to record this video. But what you see is I'll open it up. I attached a self-sticking metal plate that comes with that magnetic phone holder. And what I do is I plug my phone in and I stick it right here. And it fits perfectly on that little shelf back there. So I'm able to keep my case. I'm able to keep the phone up there where I can see it real easily. And it's just a perfect little idea. So that's a great upgrade. The whole thing cost me about $15 with the magnetic phone holders, which I bought on Amazon, and the piece of starboard. And as a little bonus thing, I added one of these little Scotch hooks here. And this holds my cable out of the way. Just a great little upgrade, great little gift. But as I said, you got multiple places to put your phone. That's just my idea. Look at this center console. You open it up and you have this big, vast center console. You can put all kinds of stuff. I can throw a hat in there. It's huge. The problem is, everything gets lost. Another great gift or upgrade is one of these little storage bins. I got this on Amazon for $12 or so, and it fits right in there. Perfect. Now, I can store my pens, I can store my Bigfoot mints, and it should have came that way from the factory. That's one more great little upgrade. I like it. So one of the best gifts, and something that the Ford Maverick definitely needs, is rear cup holders. There's no place to put your cups anywhere back here. It does have the tethering point built into the back of the console, which Ford was kind to put there. So I found this cup holder on Amazon. It was about $35, and it fits in there perfectly. And it also gives you a little space for whatever you need to put in there. So it just fits right around the console, into the tethering spot perfectly, easy to remove. And now you have a perfect cup holder. That's actually a great upgrade or a great gift for the Maverick owner in your life. So that's it. Upgrades and gifts. And there's many more to go from there. You can do lights, you can do all kinds of stuff. So I hope you liked this little video, and there's more to come. So please do me a favor, subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the like icon, and throw a comment, good or bad. Tell me my videos are horrible. That's okay. But you guys have a nice day, and thanks for coming to Fred's Garage. We'll see you soon.